Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to the course. Good to see you all. So we have been dealing with self-introduction. We have been learning many things about ourselves, how to ask, how to answer. We also started learning a bit of grammar. We started with the helping verbs, and then we moved on to simple present tense. We looked at simple present tense. I gave you 4 rules or 5 rules or 4 rules, 4 structures, around 20 sentences, examples, and I gave you around 10 signal words. So let's revise simple present tense. Daily routine, habitual action, right? Number 2, universal truths. Number 3, fixed program or fixed timetable. Number 4, proverbs and wise sayings. These rules are nothing but 4 different situations, 4 different contexts. సో తెలుగులో చెప్పాలంటే సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ ని మనం 4 సందర్భాల్లో మాట్లాడొచ్చు. రోజు దినచర్యగా చేసే పని, మన జగమెరిగిన సత్యాలు, అదే విధంగా సామెతల గురించి చెప్పేటప్పుడు, అలాగే ఏదైనా ఫిక్స్డ్ టైం టేబుల్ ఉంటే ఈ 4 సందర్భాల్లో మనం సింపుల్ ప్రెజెంట్ టెన్స్ మాత్రమే వాడాలి. And I gave you the structure for simple present tense: subject plus verb 1 plus object. And I gave you structure for positive, structure for negative, structure for yes or no question, and structure for WH question. Isn't it? Right. Let's now look at a part of self-introduction. We can also speak about favorites. After that, we move on to part of our grammar. Okay, we shall learn some spoken English first, and then we move on to a little bit of grammar. All right. So part of our spoken English, part of our self-introduction, we can ask people about their favorites, maybe favorite things, favorite places, favorite people, favorite leaders, favorite teachers, favorite food, favorite actor, actress, favorite sport, etc. There could be so many favorites, right? Therefore, let's now look at certain favorites as I've written on the board. So let's learn to ask a question correctly and answer them also accurately. The first question: what's your favorite place? My favorite place is my birthplace or my village, or my favorite place is my home. Is your home your favorite place? What is your favorite place? So can you ask your neighbors what their favorite place is? Quickly. What's your favorite place? What is your favorite place? Yes, my favorite place is my home. Please ask your neighbors quickly. Are you all doing it? Wonderful. Keep doing. Favorite place. And second, let's go to favorite city. In India, we have so many major cities, metropolitan cities, big cities, small cities. So what is your favorite city? Please ask your neighbors, ask your family members. Get to know. Let them ask you as well. Okay? What's your favorite city? My favorite city is Hyderabad. What's your favorite city? Oh, your favorite city is Bombay. Your favorite city is Trivandrum. Your favorite city is Vizag. Interesting. We can have different favorite cities. What is your favorite city, by the way? Are you all asking? Favorite place, favorite city. All right, let's go to the third question. The third question: what's your favorite food? This is very, very common. We do ask people, hey, what's your favorite food? My favorite food is, let's say, biryani. My favorite food is, let's say, seafood. Seafood is my favorite. Some people. మనకి ఇష్టమైనవి కొన్ని ఏంటి అని తెలుసుకుంటున్నాం ఇప్పుడు. మనకి ఇష్టమైన ప్రదేశం ఏంటి, మనకి ఇష్టమైనటువంటి సిటీ ఏంటి, మనకి ఇష్టమైన ఆహారం ఏంటి. దాన్ని మనం ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఎలా అడగాలి, దానికి సమాధానం ఎలా చెప్పాలి అనేవి మొదటి 3 ప్రశ్నలు, మొదటి 3 సమాధానాలు. ఇవి ఫిక్స్డ్ క్వశ్చన్స్, ఫిక్స్డ్ ఆన్సర్స్. ఆల్ రైట్, ప్లీజ్ try to ask your neighbors 3 questions, 3 answers quickly. Have you finished asking? Now let's move to the 4th question. 4th question is, who is your favorite leader? We do have our own favorite leaders. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is my favorite leader. Or you have so many leaders in our country. The choice is yours. మీకు ఇష్టమైనటువంటి ప్రముఖమైన ఒక లీడర్ ఎవరు? మనకి ఎవరైనా ఉండొచ్చు. Sometimes our parents can be our favorite leaders, isn't it? So who is your favorite leader? Find out. Please ask your favorite leader. Who is your favorite leader? My favorite leader is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Like that. All right. Have you asked your neighbors? Are you all doing it? Are you active in the class? That's great. That's great. Wonderful. Be active. Participate actively. And by the way, please remember to mute your video, mute your audio. And if you want to see me, see my screen large, pin on my picture, pin on my photo. దయచేసి మీ వీడియో ఆడియోని మ్యూట్ చేయండి. రెండో విషయం, నా స్క్రీన్ పెద్దగా కనపడాలంటే నా మీద ప్రెస్ చేస్తే, నా ఫోటో మీద ప్రెస్ చేస్తే పిన్ అనే ఆప్షన్ వస్తుంది, దాని మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి, మీకు స్క్రీన్ పెద్దదిగా వస్తుంది. All right, now let's move on to the next question. Who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Mrs. Francina. My favorite teacher is Mr. Raghu, right? We can have our own favorite teachers, maybe for different favorite subjects, depending on that. Yeah. So please ask your neighbors, ask your family members, their favorite teacher. All right, so we have looked at 5 questions, 5 answers. Let me repeat all these 5. What's your favorite place? The way of asking, what's your favorite place? My favorite place is my village. What's your favorite city? My favorite city is Delhi, let's say. Right? Next, what's your favorite food? Seafood is my favorite food. What's your favorite, who is your favorite leader? Mother Teresa is my favorite leader. Or Swami Vivekananda is my favorite leader. Next, who is your favorite teacher? Okay, yeah. Father Bala is my favorite teacher. Or anyone, right? These are the 5 questions and answers. Is everything clear? Thumbs up. Shall we move to the next questions? And if you notice, we have three what questions. What, and then who. Three questions related to what, three questions related to who. All right. Let's now move on to other favorites. Maybe we can ask, what is your favorite subject? What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is, let's say, social studies or history or economics or mathematics. Next. What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport or game? What's your favorite game or what is your favorite sport? My favorite game or sport is, you can write your own favorite sport. It could be cricket, basketball, volleyball, football, tennis, badminton, whatever your favorite sport is. Who is your favorite player? Who is your favorite player? My favorite player is, it could be MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, or you can even go for Rishabh Pant, right? Who is your favorite player? It could be from any sport. It could be, let's say, Cristiano Ronaldo or LeBron James, Stephen Curry, right? Or Sindhu or Saina Nehwal. You can take from any sports. Sunil Chetri. All right, three questions and three answers. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is social studies. What is your favorite sport or game? Who is your favorite player? Now, please start asking your own neighbors these three questions and three answers. Please try to participate actively. Ask your family members or your own neighbors. Please do it. Please do it. There are nearly 180 members. Please talk to your neighbors. So have you finished asking? Is everything clear? Okay, మనకిష్టమైనటువంటి సబ్జెక్ట్ ఏంటి, మనకిష్టమైనటువంటి గేమ్ ఏంటి, మనకిష్టమైనటువంటి ప్లేయర్ ఎవరు అనే దాని గురించి చెప్పుకోవడానికి ఈ మూడు ప్రశ్నలు, మూడు సమాధానాలు. Is everything clear, everyone? Shall we move on to the next? Right, wonderful. Yeah, we also speak about films. So what's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is, you can write your own favorite movie. Who is your favorite actor? My favorite actor is, and then you can also speak about favorite actress. Who is Yuva? Yuva is missing here. Who is your favorite actress? My favorite actress is. Okay, these three questions are related to movies and films. What is your favorite movie? Who is your favorite actor? Who is your favorite actress? My favorite movie is this. My favorite actor is this. My favorite actress is this. All right. Please take it down. We can also speak about who is your favorite singer. My favorite singer is. Four questions related to movies. Four questions, four answers. Yeah, please talk to your neighbors after you finish writing. Please talk to your neighbors, your family members. And remember, all these questions and answers in present tense. We are dealing with the present tense and we are applying this in our day-to-day life. What we generally ask. This is called functional English. Communicative English. All right. Have you finished writing? Have you finished talking to your neighbors, everyone? All right. So we looked at favorite subjects, favorite teachers, favorite leader, favorite place, favorite food, favorite city. Also, we looked at favorite sports personnel, and now it is related to movies and film stars, right? And we can add so many things to the list. What's your favorite ice cream? Isn't it? What's your favorite online game? We can have so many innumerable favorite things. All right. Can I write this now? Have you finished writing? So in the last 20 minutes, we have been learning favorites, the questions and the answers. How many questions and how many answers have we got? Let's say around 10 to 15 questions and 10 to 15 answers. Yeah, can I wipe it, please? Raise your hand if I can wipe it. That's great. Right. If someone asks you, can you tell me something about your favorites? Right. So let's make a small speech. A small speech on my favorites. My favorite place is my home. My favorite city is my hometown. Or let's say my favorite city is Vizag. My favorite food is seafood. My favorite leader is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam or Mother Teresa or Swami Vivekananda. My favorite teacher is, you can write any name. My favorite subject is chemistry. My favorite game is kabaddi. Example. My favorite player is Dhoni. Let us say. And then my favorite movie is my favorite what do we call actor is my favorite actress is my favorite singer is, and you can go on add a list here. So hello everyone. For example, how do you make a speech? Hello everyone. I stand here to speak about my favorites. My favorite place is my birthplace. My favorite city is Delhi. Like this, you can include all your favorites. Clear? Yeah. Please take them down. Now I want you to make a speech to your own family member. First, look at the script and make a speech. After that, without the script, try to make a speech. All right. You can include more details. I've given you a few. The rest you can do it on your own. Yeah. So make a speech to your own family members, to your neighbors, whoever is next to you, make a speech to them. All right. Have you finished writing? Have you finished writing? Have you finished your task? Have you finished your task? Have you made a speech? Everyone? All right, that's great. That's great. So we have learned to speak about our favorites, and our favorites are innumerable. There are many favorite things for us, and this is how we can ask people, we can answer when someone asks about our favorites. And you can also make a speech. See, in some competitive exams, people may ask you, including civil services, they may ask you, please tell me something about your favorites. Then your ready-made answer, you have all the points readily available. All right. Yeah. So let's now move on to our grammar point, grammar aspect. We began with the tenses. We finished simple present tense, and today we shall learn present continuous tense. Let's take the heading. Present continuous tense. The word present refers to now. Continue, happening. It is happening now. Okay. Rule number 1. So I shall give you the rules, the structures, the examples, and the signal words for every tense. Remember, I shall give you these 4. And I sent you the word file on WhatsApp group for all the tenses examples. Okay? Yeah. So present continuous tense. Rule 1, there are 2 rules. Rule 1, an action is happening now at the time of speaking. An action is happening now at the time of speaking. సో ఈరోజు నిన్న మనం సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఈరోజు ప్రెసెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ నేర్చుకుందాం. ప్రెసెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు జరుగుతూ ఉన్న దాన్ని గురించి మాట్లాడటానికి ప్రెసెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్ టెన్స్ వాడతాం. ఇప్పుడు మనం మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతున్నాయి? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, యు ఆర్ లిసనింగ్ టు మీ. ఐఎమ్ టీచింగ్ యూ ప్రెసెంట్ కంటిన్యూస్. ద ఫ్యాన్ ఈజ్ రన్నింగ్. దే ఆర్ ప్లేయింగ్. యువర్ ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ ఆర్ వాచింగ్ టీవీ. Or someone is waiting for you, right? So example, you are listening to me. They are watching TV. All right. And in present continuous tense, we have ing form and a helping verb. I shall give you structure. Or should I give you structure first? All right, let me give you structure. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb 1 plus ing plus object or complement. Subject plus am, is, are plus verb 1 plus ing plus object or complement. Is present continuous clear? Rule number 1, structure and example. Is it clear, everyone? Now, please write some examples on your own. Write a few examples quickly based on the structure, based on rule number 1 and examples that I've given you. Quickly. All right, finish writing. So rule number 1, structure and example. Let me give you rule number 2. So rule number 1 is nothing but ఇప్పుడు మనం మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు జరుగుతూ ఉన్న పని, మనం మాట్లాడుతున్నప్పుడు జరుగుతున్న పని గురించి చెప్పడానికి present continuous tense వాడతాం. Number 2, rule number 2, an action in progress. An action in progress. An action in progress. For example, some action is in progress. For example, we are attending online classes. It is in progress. We are attending online classes. So this action is in progress. She is preparing for civils. She is preparing for civils. All right, she is preparing for civil. So this action is in progress, meaning this is happening every day. Oh, what is this boy doing? This boy is studying engineering. Oh, she's preparing for bank exams. What are the students doing? Students are getting ready for annual day. Students are getting ready for annual day. So this kind of sentences indicate that action is in progress. Is this clear, everyone? Rule number 2, examples. Is it clear? Rule number 2 and examples. The structure is same for both the rules. Clear, everyone? So please take down rule number 2 and examples. Please write some more examples on your own. Can you write some examples for both rule number 1, rule number 2, for the same structure? Structure is same. Only 2 rules, by the way. Only 2 rules. This is a positive structure. Positive structure. You can see what children are doing, what your family members, maybe my parents are working in the kitchen, my brother is watching TV, my sister is reading a book, they are walking on the street, I'm listening to the class, like that. My pet is playing in the garden. Okay? All right, let's now move to negative structure. Negative structure. Subject plus am, is, are plus not plus V1 plus ing plus object or complement. He is not disturbing me now. He is not disturbing me now. She is not watching TV. We are not wasting time. For I, it is am. For singular subject, it is. For plural subject, it is are, the helping verbs. So look at the structure and the examples and follow the same when you write your examples. So please take down the structure, examples, and write a few sentences on your own. Please make it. Have you finished writing? Can I wipe it? Shall we go to the next one? Are you all there? So మనం పాజిటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ చూసాం. ఇప్పుడు నెగటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ లో ఒక్కళ్ళు అయితే సింగులర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అయితే ఈజ్ వాడతాం. ప్లూరల్ సబ్జెక్ట్ అంటే ఒకళ్ళ కంటే ఎక్కువ మంది ఉంటే ఆర్ వాడతాం. ఐకి మాత్రం ఎప్పుడూ కూడా యామ్ అనే ఉంటుంది. ఆల్ రైట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ నెగటివ్ స్ట్రక్చర్. Next, yes or no question. Am, is, are plus subject plus verb 1 plus ing plus object or complement plus question mark. Okay. Am I teaching grammar well? Am I teaching English well? Are you listening to the class? Is he disturbing you? Is he disturbing you? Is she watching TV? Are you listening to me? Am I teaching well? Are they playing in the ground? Is your mom cooking in the kitchen? These are yes or no questions. The structure and examples. Take them down and then write a few sentences on your own. All right. Have you finished writing? I wish I could read your sentences, but then it's all online. I can't read your sentences. No problem. So please do mute yourself, your video, your audio. And then if I am not visible in the full screen, Please click on my picture, press on my picture, and you see a pin option. Click on the pin, you get the large screen. ఇంకా ఎవరికైనా తెలుగులో గనుక సరిగా అర్థం కాలేదంటే కూడా అడగొచ్చు, but then it's difficult for you to ask me. That's all right. Okay. Is this clear, everyone? Have you finished writing? Shall we move to the next one? All right. Let's look at WH question. Now, framing a WH question is a big task for many people. Many people make mistakes while constructing a WH question. Framing a WH question. People start, you know how they ask, why you are crying, Ray? What you are doing? What you are doing? What you are doing? Why you are crying? Are these two sentences correct? No, they are incorrect. Incorrect. Because after WH, there should be helping verb in present continuous tense. It's a rule. It is must. Therefore, from here, I want to show you how we can change yes or no question into WH question. Very simple logic, very simple technique. If you notice, just add WH here. WH plus am is are plus subject plus verb one plus ing plus object or complement plus question mark. Let's say when am I teaching well? When am I teaching well? Why are you listening to the class? Why? After why are. Why are you listening to the class? Many people say, why you are listening? Wrong. Why are you listening? Why are you wasting time? Why? Sorry. Why is she disturbing you? Why is he playing there? Clear? Why is he disturbing you? Please take down the structure and examples. The structure, the examples. After you finish writing these, please write a few sentences on your own. Okay? Have you finished writing, everyone? Is everything clear? No thumbs up? No one is raising a hand? That's great. That's great. Thank you. Thank you for being active. That's wonderful. Okay, let me give you a few. Similarly, you can also write. I am watching TV. I am not watching TV. Am I watching TV? When am I watching TV? Positive, negative, yes or no question, WH question. All right, please take them down and write 4 sentences on your own like this. Yeah, it's your turn now. All right. Okay, let me give you. This is for I. Let me give you for singular subject. He is reading a novel. He is reading a novel. He is not reading a novel. Is he reading a novel? Why is he reading a novel? For a singular subject. Positive, negative, yes or no question, WH question. Please take it down. After that, please try a few sentences on your own. Finished writing? Right. These are yes or no for singular subject. Let's now look at plural subject. They are disturbing me. They are not disturbing me. Are they disturbing me? Why are they disturbing me? All right. So there is a plural subject. We looked at I, we looked at singular subject. Now we are looking at plural subject. Take down these examples and try a few sentences on your own for plural subject. All right, have you finished writing? Are you all there? Have you taken them down and have you finished writing a few examples on your own? Okay, I'll give you one sentence. Please change that into negative, yes or no question, and WH. Raju is singing a song. Please change this into negative, yes or no question, and WH question. Please try. So your homework would be homework. Make a speech on favorites. Please make a speech on favorites. Number 2, this is 1, 2, 5, write 5 sentences. Write 5 sentences for each structure. Write 5 sentences for each structure. So far today we have learned all about our favorites. We have learned all about our favorites. You can also ask questions and you can answer correctly now if you have learned all these questions and answers from the board. You should be confident to ask somebody's favorites. you should be confident to answer if someone asks you about your favorite. You can make a speech with all the answers that I've given you on the board. Right. Number 2, today we have learned present continuous tense. I gave you 2 rules. Rule number 1, an action is happening now at the time of speaking. మనం మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు జరిగే పనులను గురించి చెప్పడానికి present continuous tense వాడతాం. For example, you are listening to me now. They are watching TV. Rule number 2, an action is in progress. అంటే ఏదైనా పని జరుగుతుంది, ఆ అబ్బాయి ఏం చేస్తున్నాడు, ఆ అబ్బాయి ఇదిగో దీనికోసం ప్రిపేర్ అవుతున్నాడు అని చెప్తాం. In the similar fashion, if you ask somebody, hey, what are they doing? Yeah, they are preparing for annual day. I'm working on a project. This is called work in progress, right? And I've given you positive structure, negative structure, yes or no question structure, and then WH question structure. I gave you 2 rules, 4 structures, nearly 20 examples. Now your homework is to prepare a speech on my favorites. Are you all ready? A speech on my favorites. I know you cannot post it on group. We are trying to find an alternative. So our technical team, Mr. Maniraju, is working on it, and Father Bala will update you on this. All right. Second homework, please write 5 sentences for each structure so that we all will improve our language faster. So, is the class informative, interactive, interesting, and enriching? If so, please revise the notes. Keep writing, keep doing homework, keep participating actively at home with your family members. Start speaking in English with your family members. I request everyone to be regular, to be punctual, to be dedicated till we complete the course. Every day you will improve step by step. Rome is not built in a day, which means everything takes time. Give time a chance. So by the time we finish this entire month, we will see some progress. We will move from basic level to intermediate level to advanced level. That's our intention. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a lovely time. Be in touch with English. See you again. Bye bye for now. Take care.